Your brother HL2240 printer was printing just fine yesterday, and now today it won't print at all. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to get your brother HL2240 printing again. Just follow along step by step and your printer will be back up and running. If you need support, call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, let's get started.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Cancel print queues. On your computer's desktop, click on the search bar at the bottom. Type printers and scanners and open it. Look for the Brother HL2240 printer in the list under Bluetooth and devices and click on it. Click on Open Print Queues to see any pending print jobs. In the Print Queues window, look for the 3-dot menu icon at the top right corner and click on it. Select Cancel All to remove all pending print jobs at once. When a pop-up asks for confirmation, select Yes to confirm. After this, restart your computer. If clearing the print queues didn't solve the printing issue, your printer driver is probably outdated. Let me show you how to fix that. If you're finding these solutions helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more printer tips. Method 2. Update Brother HL2240 printer driver. Open your web browser and search for the Brother printer driver for the HL2240 model. Go to the official Brother support website and verify your operating system is detected correctly. Double check that your detected OS matches what you're using on your computer. Scroll down to the Drivers section and click on the latest printer driver available. On the next page, read the license agreement and click Agree to the EULA and download. Press Ctrl+J and open the Downloads folder. Then click Show in Folders to file the file. Double-click on the downloaded file and click Run to start the decompression process. Once decompression is successful, click OK to proceed. Go to the Start menu, search for Device Manager and open it. Scroll down to Other Devices and click on it to expand that section. Find your Brother HL2240 printer in the list and click on it to select it. Click on Update Driver Software to start the driver update process. In the Update Driver Software window, click Browse My Computer for driver software. Click Browse to locate the decompressed driver file you downloaded earlier. Find the decompressed file folder, select it, and click OK to confirm your selection. Click Next to install the updated printer driver and then wait while it installs everything.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.